Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Meenakshi. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to see unboxing, painting and review of DIY Ganesha kit which I have purchased from Amazon. ये आपको इस तरह के Amazon box में मिलेगा. Let's open it. The buying link of this kit is given in the description box. You can go and check it out. So this is the kit. This is eco-friendly Ganesha from Fevicreate. Can be used by kids above 8 years and grown-ups as well. The kit says that it encourages creativity, can be recycled and reused, improves social development and fosters care for nature. इस किट की प्राइस है ₹275। Let's open the box quickly now. इस किट में हमें मिला है 1 फ्लैश टिंट एक्रिलिक कलर, फेविकॉल, colors, brush, और यहाँ इस थर्माकोल बॉक्स में मिलती है गणेश मूर्ति. दिस इज मेड ऑफ शाधु मिट्टी एंड हाइट ऑफ दिस मूर्ति इज 5 inches. बेस्ट पार्ट इज दिस इज वाटर सॉल्युबल. कमिंग टू द कलरिंग पार्ट, जैसे आप वीडियो में देखेंगे, सबसे पहले अप्लाई अ बेस कोट ऑफ वाइट कलर. After that, you can apply the flesh tint acrylic color for the skin tone look, or you can mix red, brown and yellow color for a terracotta look as shown here. I like the kit but feels that the colors quality could be a little more better. Secondly, only one thin brush is given in the kit, which is not enough, so I had to use my own brushes. Hope you all like the video. आपको ये किट कैसी लगी प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.